Good day everyone, my name is Rogelio Andrusi Gultia from section S2G. Today, I will explain the distress signal or SOS through Morse light based strictly on Colreg's Annex 4 and the International Code of Signals or ICS. SOS is the official international distress signal, meaning I am in danger and need immediate help. It is recognized worldwide, serving as a vital standard for anyone troubled at sea. Colreg's Annex 4 lists authorized distress signal including light, sound and radio methods, while the ICS defines how these signals are formed and understood. Both fully agree on SOS rules. Using Morse light is very reliable, especially when radios fail at night or whenever light can be seen from a distance. Next, I will explain the exact code, timing and proper way to transmit SOS using Morse light. In Morse code, S is 3 short flashes, O is 3 long flashes. So the full pattern is standard timing rules are short flashes about 1 second, long flashes about 3 seconds, gap between letters equal to 1 short flashes, and 7 seconds short flash and a 7 seconds pause before repeating the whole signal. You may use any bright light like a flashlight signal reflected from a mirror. Point it clearly toward ships, aircraft or land. Flash slowly and clearly without rushing, and sweep it gently if possible to be seen easier. If possible to be seen, get a reply or see help coming. Remember, only send SOS in real danger. False signals are illegal and dangerous. Lastly, I will explain how to receive, recognize, and respond to SOS, and why this standard matters. When you see the pattern 3 short, 3 long, 3 short, recognize it immediately as an official distress call. First, acknowledge right away by sending 3 short flashes or a clear repeated light signal to confirm you have seen them and help is on the way. Record the exact location, time and direction. The report immediately to authorities such as the Coast Guard, Port Control or Navy ship, and assist if safe to do so. SOS is inavailable because it is simple, easy to remember, and understood everywhere no matter the language spoken. It is always means urgent help is needed and save many lives every year. That concludes our presentation about the distress signal SOS through Morse light. Thank you for listening.